Ever wondered how creators get millions of views on their anime shorts while you're stuck figuring out where to start? Here's the secret. They're not doing it manually. They're using advanced AI tools. Elle will show you in the video to make it fast and effortless. Want to know how? Let's dive in. In this video, I'll break it down into simple steps. 1. How to find anime clips legally. 2. How to enhance their quality for a professional look using AI. 3. How to edit and add eye-catching effects, like Twitter post. And finally, how to export them in the best format and a bonus AA trick for my viewers to viral your shorts. The first step is to find anime clips, and the key is to use public domain content or Creative Commons resources. This ensures your content is copyright safe. Here's where Pika AI comes in handy. Simply enter keywords related to the anime or scene you need, and Pika AI will help you locate clips that match your vision. It's like having an AI-powered search assistant for anime. Step 2. Enhancing clip quality with Leonardo AI. Once you have your clips, it's time to make them look amazing. Upload them to Leonardo AI and let it enhance the quality. It sharpens the visuals, improves resolution, and adjusts the colors to give your clips a polished, professional look. Step 3. Creating different styles of anime shorts. Fake tweet, anime shorts. Pika AI's tweet generator to design realistic tweets. Customize the name, text, and engagement stats. Then overlay it on your anime clip for a creative vibe. Step 4. Add in final touches. For 9:16 ratio videos, add a blurred background to your clip for a clean look. Enhance it with effects like motion blur or glitch transitions. You can even ask Leonardo AI for suggestions on creative effects to make your shorts unique. Here's a bonus trick. Use Leonardo AI and Pika AI to optimize your video's visibility. Generate trending hashtags, catchy titles, and custom thumbnails that maximize your reach and engagement. These small details can make a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI-powered tips, and leave a comment below with your questions. Let's turn your passion into a channel that gets millions of views. See you in the next video.